हेलो गाइस, सो आज हमारे पास है एक नया प्रोडक्ट द प्राइम बुक 4G एंड ये प्रोडक्ट इज एम्ड एट द यंगर जनरेशन ऑफ इंडिया। एंड स्पीकिंग ऑफ यंगर जनरेशन, हमारे साथ है अर्थम भटनागर।
Hello everyone, I'm Siddharth and today I have with me the Primebook, which is one of India's most affordable laptop. And to unbox this Primebook, I have a special guest, Artham, with me, and he will be giving you his first impressions about the Primebook. So let's begin. So this is the Primebook and he's going to unbox it for us.
So inside the box we get a translucent paper covering, a few stickers from Primebook.
Show them the stickers.
The stickers. Yeah. And we also receive the laptop, first hand.
Okay. So this is the laptop. We'll keep it sideways.
Yep.
Show them what's there in the box.
Yes. So we also receive some Bose bass heads, earphones. We keep that aside for now.
Okay.
Inside this box we may receive some accessories like the charger and somewhat. So we get the charger and only the charger. So the components inside the box were some bass head earphones, a charger and the laptop itself. So let's get a closer look at the laptop. My first impression, it is very light, and that's actually a very good thing because you may need to travel somewhere.
So this is the USB port that you see over here, followed by the 3.5mm audio jack. This is the HDMI port over here, and here we have a SIM card slot, a micro SD card slot, and a 3.5mm audio jack along with a USB port.
Okay.
It is quite lightweight.
Yes, it is, surprisingly.
Yep.
It says here it is powered by MediaTek, which is a very popular phone processor company. Actually, my phone uses this.
MediaTek?
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's proceed. The touchpad is very responsive.
Okay. So this is.
So in the charger we receive a
So
very
this
compact
is the charger.
We get a 100 to 240 volt charger.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's put that aside for now. And one thing I would like to mention, the travel in the keys is comfortable enough so that it doesn't hurt your fingers.
Okay.
It's not too much, it's not too little.
You are able to type
Comfortably.
comfortably.
And it is pretty responsive.
All right.
The UI is quite smooth, unlike laptops available at this price, which are old and refurbished.
So this runs on Prime OS. So you will find a lot of similarities between Prime OS and Android operating system that you use on your phone.
Over here we can open our apps or any other.
Right. So you can go into settings and you'll find that
and we can.
you can call from this laptop itself because it has a SIM port.
It's basically a bigger phone. So over here we can see it resembles the UIs of phones a lot, and that is actually very good because we can easily access many things about this without having to go through all.
It also has an app store. It's not the Google Play Store, but it has an app store.
It has an app store through which we can download our day-to-day apps. So it is basically a mix of Windows and phone operating software.
It is.
So
it's also made for educational purposes and basically, like you said earlier, that if people want to carry it with them.
Yes, so that is why it's light and all.
Exactly.
So why don't we test the speakers a bit if you are going to do?
Of course, why not?
Okay. So the audio is quite nice and it can be adjusted easily. So we can adjust the brightness. And
is it bright enough? Do you find?
Yeah, it is. It's not too bright. It's comfortably bright. And even if it is not comfortable, you can just always lower it. So the speakers are I would say pretty good for this price range. It may be better than most of the phones we see at this price range. The keys are flat spread out, so it's not that comfortable for me. But I know a few people who would find this comfortable. So I have noticed that this search engine resembles Google a lot, and that is also pretty nice.
Yeah. So now that Artham has unboxed the Primebook for us, let's ask, how did he find the Primebook? Artham?
Honestly, I am quite surprised at this laptop because most of the laptops or devices at this price range are not very good. And whenever you find laptops at this price range, they are either very old, they have some sort of malfunctions, and that becomes a hindrance for all. So one more thing I would like to mention is that it is compact, it is not too big, it is not too small, and you can easily put it in your backpack, or you can just close it and carry it around everywhere. The keys are nice, the key travel is very good, it is comfortable, and the touchpad is also very responsive, like most of the laptops. Because honestly, when I was using this laptop, I was expecting something like a very cheap type laptop, but this laptop has surprised me very much. And the feel of having a laptop for a child is also very cool. It feels very nice as compared to a phone.
Yeah. You no longer have to borrow your mom and dad's laptop.
Yes, and that is a good news for all of them, for mother and father, because they don't have to it doesn't interfere in their work. So this device runs on Android, and we can use and if you're not using it for study based research, you can use it for other things like entertainment or just listening to songs. The audio is quite good. It is powered by Prime OS. It resembles a lot and Android a lot, but it is Prime OS. So it is basically Android for a computer. Prime OS.
Right. So we received the Boat earphones with this as well.
This inclusion I like very much, because when you open the laptop, you don't need to buy another set of earphones or headphones. So this is a very nice inclusion. I really appreciate, and I'm sure a lot of other children will appreciate.
So Artham, how would you rate this laptop, the Primebook, out of 5?
Honestly, anywhere between 3.5 or a 4.
Okay. It's that good?
Yeah, it's that good.
Nice.
I would rate it between that, because it has a build quality. It's not perfect, but it is cheap, but it is good.
It does not look cheap.
It does not look cheap. It does not feel cheap.
Yeah.
And that is why I would give it a 4.
Nice. So that was the unboxing of Primebook. Thanks for watching.